Oh, please. Do continue to struggle there, fair maiden.
As soon as father gets back, we'll have our fill with her.
But what to do with her while we wait? I know. Let's get our taste of her maiden blood.
Daniel, please. Control yourself. We have to wait until father gets back.
But I want a taste of her now.
I mean, there could be another way we can taste her. And I find my idea to be a lot better than yours, Daniel.
Oh, yeah? What do you think we should do?
Xander, don't tell me.
Oh, I'll tell you, all right, Ben.